Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, thanks to Coderman, I'll have a link to his channel in the description below. We have his 2022 Porsche Cayman GT4. This one is in fact a 6-speed, and it has something very unique, and it's actually currently in development, and that is a Valvetronic exhaust. Stock headers, everything back is Valvetronic. It's on Pilot Sport Cup 2s. First time driving that tire. Shark blue carbon buckets, just the way you'd want a GT4 equipped. There we go. I'm heavy set, so getting into the buckets is a pain, but oh, I actually fit perfect in these buckets. They are fixed back, but you can raise them up and move them fore and aft. Auto blip, auto start stop. PSC really does nothing if the valves are open all the time, like they are. That's completely inverse of every single other electronic parking brake in the world. But I don't really care. Some of you may know I own a 2018 Boxster GTS. It's a PDK. It has the flat 4, which doesn't sound like this. That, my friends, is one of the most intoxicating sounds to come from any car. Super light flywheel. This thing, I'll turn auto blip off. Very easy to do it yourself. It's almost like a harmony. I mean, you can't get a GT4 RS in a manual, so if you're hard set on manual, this is the way to go. But keep in mind, it's been a long time since I drove one of these, and I was able to step right into this car and nail it. I forgot auto rev. Oh, now come on. That was all me. That was not auto blip. Auto blip is just brilliant anyway, but being able to say that you did it and have it work that seamlessly is just, oh, it's something next level. I am in love with this car. It is so intoxicatingly good. Let me, chassis normal. Let me see which button closes the valves. Yeah, all right, that's not bad. I'm head over heels for this car. It's not tuned, but once you figure out how to make a Porsche burble, you can kind of ride the burbles. It's about 3 to 5 seconds after you lift off the gas, they'll burble, and if you just keep tapping it, it will just keep resetting the timer. In terms of this Valvetronic, it is pretty darn good. The only time I noticed drone is right there, right about 2500. It's pretty droney under power, but once you get above that, so if you were to cruise at 3500, it's going to be pretty good with minimal drone. So you just kind of have to keep the engine revving a little bit higher and you'll work through that drone. Visibility's phenomenal. The gauge cluster, I didn't notice this, or I didn't say it. I obviously noticed it. That's modified. Coderman has a video on his either Instagram or his YouTube channel or both, going through the process how to change that. That is obviously 992 style. I'm in love with this car. I love this car so much. I want this car. You know, when I bought the Boxer GTS, I was kind of like, yeah, that was my only car. I have a second car now, and so that's now just kind of my toy. I love that car, do not get me wrong, but this is just next level, and I cannot wait to try a 4RS or a Spider RS or something like that. This is just, I think, the perfect, it's right on the edge of being too much for the street. Second gear takes you to 70 miles an hour. I'll give you an auto blip just so you know. That's the computer doing it versus me. Keep in mind, I've only been in this car for about an hour, and I've figured out how to heel toe it pretty well. Okay, that is just, good God, I want this thing so bad. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Coderman, for letting me come check this thing out. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.